Hello friends, today we will learn about volcano. What is volcano? See, what is volcano? Answer is a mountain or hill typical conceal having a crater or vent through which lava rock fragments, hot vapor and gas are or have been erupted from the earth's crust. See, this is a video. I will give the link. Wait. See, this is the diagram. Ash cloud vent, side vent, ash fall, condensed mega chamber, rock layers of the earth's crust, sill, lava flow, crater. See, process of how does volcano erupt. When rock from the mantle melts, moves to the surface through the crust and releases pent-up gases, volcanoes erupt. Extremely with temperature and pressure cause the rock to melt and become liquid rock or magma. When a large body of magma has formed, it rises through the rock layers towards Earth's surface. So, जब ये वॉल्केनो आता है तभी जो अर्थ का क्रस्ट रहता है वो जब ये हिल जाता है तो फिर वो सब बाहर आता है जो नीचे फायर थे. मतलब जैसे 4.5 बिलियन ईयर्स पे अर्थ में सब जो एस्टेरॉइड्स वो सब फायर आके गिरा था धरती में तो वो सभी कभी कभी इरप्ट हो जाता है. थैंक यू. और प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो. हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए. थैंक यू.